another really wonderful duet with just a waltz kind of feel, and it goes a little fast. So I recorded this deliberately a little bit faster so that it does feel like a waltz, because when you take a waltz too slow, well, it doesn't feel like it's dancing. So to me, it was important to take it a little fast. I hope you can use the settings on your screen to adjust the tempo to go faster or slower as needed. I hope you have that option. And if you do, then yeah, take advantage of that. Remember, I'm uploading the MP3s to all of these videos to my Patreon, and as well as sheet music. I'm also uploading both of those, sheet music in the PDF form and the MP3, so you can practice along, stop it, do whatever with it. It gives you a lot more flexibility. So I'm hoping you guys taking advantage of that. So I'll see you on my Patreon page. Thank you very much.